Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking strictly about the ArenaVS airdrop. Alright, so this airdrop is very good and it has a lot of potential, and I'm going to be telling you guys the reasons why this airdrop could be the best airdrop that you are participating on this 2025. Alright, so looking over here right now, you can see I am on the official website right here, and right now you need to pay close attention. Do not skip any part of this video and make sure you watch it till the end. Alright, so I'm going to be telling you guys the reason why I believe that this airdrop could be the best airdrop that we are going to be participating on this 2025. So when I scroll down a little bit right now, you can see a lot of things are actually happening right here, and of course the NFT is already on the marketplace, and of course you need to do some certain stuff right here in order for you to qualify and position very well to be eligible for the airdrop. So when I scroll down a little bit, you can see that this project is actually a top notch because they are partnering with almost all crypto companies like OKX, Binance, Cointelegraph, Magic Eden, Microsoft, and a lot of top companies are actually backing this project. And trust me, you do not want to play with this type of airdrop. All right, so when I take you right now to their Twitter account, you can see they have their golden tick right here, and of course they say that they are actually enhancing creator economy through AI powered decentralized infra. And to blow your mind away, you can see that this project is actually partnering with Binance, Sega, Trust Wallet, Magic Eden, and OKX. This is just to mention but a few. They have about 223,000 followers, and the most interesting thing right here on this project is that we are lucky to join it because we are among the early birds, and of course we are among the people that are going to be getting the maximum reward for their airdrop, which is coming very soon. So to participate on their airdrop is very simple. When you look over here right now on this post that was made just yesterday, they said that the early OG role is waiting for you, and over here you need to complete some few simple tasks that I'm going to be showing you right now so that you can be among the OGs whom are going to be getting the maximum benefit from this project. So you can go ahead and of course do a lot of research concerning this project. And right now, what is this platform all about? You can see that it is actually a Web3 platform made for creators, gamers, and developers. It lets you design digital assets, use AI powered tools, and earn reward. You can explore different dApps, trade NFT, and work with others in the community. ArenaVS help you grow and succeed in the Web3. So this is basically what this project is all about. So right now that we have understood what the project is all about, let's now go ahead and of course learn how we can be able to participate on the airdrop and of course position very well. So the first thing you need to do as always is to simply check out the link on the video description to actually copy the link to this to their platform where we are going to be doing some few simple things in order for us to qualify for the airdrop. All right, so once you have copied the link, then you come over here to your Mrs. browser or any other browser that you are using. You go ahead and of course paste the link right there on the search bar. Once you paste the link, you go ahead and of course search for it. All right, so immediately this is going to be taking you to the platform where you need to connect your wallet and of course do some few simple things that I'm going to be showing you how to do right now. Okay, so over here guys, you can see we have this message right here, early OG rule, and of course remember all you're going to be doing right here is actually going to be positioning you for the future benefit that is coming. So if you're watching the video right now, congratulations, because you have found something very interesting that's going to be putting money in your pocket in the nearest time. All right, so the first thing you need to do as always is to first of all connect your wallet. All right, you click on connect wallet like this, and once you click on connect wallet, a list of wallets that are available on your device is going to be popping up, and once they pop up, you go ahead and select the one that you are most confident with. Okay, for example, I'm going to be selecting metamask right now, and once I select metamask is going to be popping up immediately because I have already added the extension on my own browser. And what I need to do right now is simply go ahead and of course unlock my wallet. And once I have unlocked my wallet, I will go ahead and of course connect my wallet. So this is actually the first thing, and this is actually going to be adding your wallet among the early birds to this project. All right, so right now watch closely. We are going to be doing something very interesting right now. Okay, after that guys, you can see you need a referral code. The referral code is actually going to be also on the video description box. Put the referral code right here, and once you put the referral code, you need to click on apply. The reason why you need to put a referral code right there is because the referral code is actually going to be putting you is going to be putting you on the better edge where you're going to be earning some reward for being referred by a friend. But you can continue without a referral code, but for the best results, I will advise that you continue with a referral code. All right, and immediately once you are done with that, you can see automatically you are going to be given 5,000 XPs once you use a referral code. All right, so this is the reason why you need to use a referral code to join this. Okay, so over here guys, you are going to be faced with very few simple tasks right here. For example, you need to follow them on Twitter, and after following them, you are going to be getting 30,000 XP. Retweet and like their post, you are going to be getting 14,000 XP, and also invite friend. For each successful friend that you invite, you are going to be getting 30,000 XPs. All right, So all these are very, very simple, and once you are done doing that, we are going to be proceeding to the next step. So immediately I'm going to be doing this one right now, then we are going to be proceeding to claiming our OG role on the Discord. And right now, immediately, we are now done doing the first 3 tasks. Right now, we need to go ahead and claim our OG role on Discord. So we click on it right now. This is going to be taking you to the Discord account, and over there on the Discord server, you need to first of all join the Discord. Then we are going to be proceeding towards claiming our OG role. Remember, claiming your OG role is very, very important, because that is like the proof that you were actually among the early adopters of this project. So you go ahead and click on accept invite, and once you click on accept invite, you are now going to be taken to the server where you need to actually perform some verification, and once you are done with those verification, you are going to be claiming your OG role immediately. Over here right now, you can see that we are now on the Discord server. So right now you need to click on get started immediately. Once you click on get started, you click on next again, and of course you can see what notification would you like to receive. Everything you click on, just select anyone you like, just select everything so that you will always be updated. You click on next, and over here you need to select your language. Of course our language is English. I can see English right here. Okay, I will click on skip. Okay, so right now you need to actually read this up and of course agree and finish. Okay, so over here right now you can see we have now joined the server right now. So the first thing you need to do first is to simply go ahead and of course verify yourself. So you click on verify, and once you click on verify right now, you are going to be taken to this part where you need to, you know, do some certain stuff. Like for example, you need to first of all click on verify, and once you click on verify right now, you can see right now that you can see we have something right here. You can see something has been added a role Iranian. Okay, so we have now verified ourselves, I think, and of course what I need to do is simply click on this right now, and once you click on it, you can see you need to go ahead and read all this. Once you are done, you click on this again. You are going to be taken into different servers where you need to do some certain stuff right now, and of course if you have any question, you can ask right here on the main chat. So right now let's go back, let me show you some stuff right here real quick. Okay, so over here right now you can see that all these ones have now been unlocked because we have actually verified ourselves. Okay, next thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and of course click on get started, and over here guys on get started you are required to actually introduce yourself. Okay, you click on it, you are going to be taken to the main chat, and over here guys on the main chat you need to introduce yourself. You can write something like maybe GM like this. Okay, you write GM, and right now guys you are going to be introduced right now into the platform, and over here guys you can see you have explore, and right now you can see we are now fully ready to actually position for this airdrop. All right, so over here guys we have something right here like this. You can see get OG role right here, so you can see let's click on it, and once you click on it right now you are going to be taken where you need to actually get your OG role. Okay, so right now guys we have quest 1 right here. You can see get OG role verification. To receive the OG role, click the button below and enter your referral code when prompted. Okay, right now they have the instruction, click the get OG role button, enter referral code in DM, wait for verification. So right now guys you need to click on get OG role immediately. Once you click on get OG role right now, let's wait a little bit and see what we are going to be having right here. Okay, and of course you can see it's loading up right now, and I think the something is supposed to pop up right here, but I think the server is currently overloaded. So right now if you are getting an error message just like I'm getting it here myself, you need to actually wait and of course try again later, because if you don't get your OG role, it means that you are not going to be getting this benefit of being an early adopter. So right now you need to come back right here and keep on trying until you can be able to get your OG role. They have already given you instruction based on how you can be able to get it, so make sure you try this later and of course secure your OG role. It is very, very important. And once you are done with that, you go back to the main website. Okay, you go back to the main website right now, and over here guys on your website what you need to do right now is simply go ahead. You can see we have this congratulations message right now that we have completed all the tasks, though we haven't fully claimed our OG role. So make sure you claim your OG role. That is very, very important. So right now what you need to do is simply click on open my account. Once you click on open my account, you are now going to be taken straight into your account, and over here right now this is your balance, and of course this is your referral code which you need to use, and of course invite people to this project. And of course this is where you are going to be having something right here, but of course we are still waiting for it. It is not yet done because this is actually a new project entirely. Okay, so once you have gotten to this point, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and copy your referral link, invite as many people as you can into this project, because this project is going to be very, very loud, and of course it has all it takes to be a very great project. All right, so thank you for watching, and I believe you got a value from from this video. If you have any question, let me have it on the comment section and I'll be there to help you resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you guys, and I will talk to you guys on my next video that is coming very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day. See you guys on the next one.